I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so the fix is effective. First, make sure your printer is powered, connected the way you intend, and has paper and ink. Next, open the PDF in a trusted reader like Acrobat Reader or a modern browser. You want consistent behavior. Once done, hit Print Preview and check page range, orientation, and scaling so you know what should print. If any setting looks off, correct it before moving to deeper troubleshooting steps that follow. Now focus on mid-level fixes that resolve most stubborn issues. You should explicitly choose the correct printer and recheck page range, scaling, and color settings. Wrong options silently block output. If jobs are stuck, restart the print spooler or clear the queue, and then update or reinstall the printer driver to eliminate compatibility problems. For complex PDFs with heavy graphics or fonts, export a fresh PDF or use the Print as Image option so the printer receives a simpler, rasterized job and prints predictably. Finish by confirming the fix and applying one last diagnostic if needed. You should print a simple text document and try another app to see whether the problem is the file, the reader, or the printer. If the original PDF contains forms or embedded fonts, flatten or embed fonts to avoid driver misinterpretation. Make sure file permissions allow printing. If it still fails, print to a virtual PDF or another physical printer to compare behavior. This isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.